Here's another quick and easy resin tutorial in our Geode Agate Coaster Molds where I'm going to end up using some Rose Quartz Crystals on the top of it. I'm using some White Mica powder and rose gold glitter in chunky and hyper hollow. We have two different styles of our Geode Agate Coaster Molds. That's B on the left and A on the right. A has 11 islands while B has 6 islands. I've mixed up the mica and the glitter, and I'm pouring into the river areas. The river is what flows through the islands. You want to make sure to tap the edges to make sure the mica or the resin gets all the way through to the top. When the resin is cured, you demold them, and your islands have now become pockets to fill with beautiful tiny rose quartz crystals. For this, I'm using DecoArt gloss varnish, and I'm painting a little bit on the bottom of the open areas so the stones can stick. You can use resin for this, but resin tends to coat the crystals, where you'll see the DecoArt gloss varnish just melts into it and looks like it's not there. I'd already measured out some rose quartz to fill the areas, and I'm just pouring it in there, making sure to fill all the little nooks and crannies. You want to fill the open areas but not have it stick up. As you see there, I'm testing to make sure a cup will sit flat on the surface. There isn't any reason to top coat these coasters because the river areas support the cup. Now you take more of the DecoArt gloss varnish, and I'm using a pipette to just totally soak the stones. It might look a little blue on screen, but trust me, that disappears and goes away. You just want to make sure to get every little nook and cranny so the stones stick together. These rose quartz crystals are available on our website. Now it's time for the finished product. I think they turned out stunning. Let us know what you think in the comments below.